All right, tell me, do you trust agentic systems today? You should, because the future isn't human versus AI, it's human with AI agents, and winner starts now. I watched the entire reInvent keynote from AWS's VP of AI and data twice, so you don't have to. The whole theme was about going from idea to impact, and AWS announced nearly 30 services that reshape how we build with agents. But here's the thing, you don't need to remember all 30. Today, I'm giving you only 5 insights you need for 2026. And if you stay till the end, I'll give you one simple action you can take this week that'll put you ahead of everyone else. Let's dive in. Theme number one, the rise of agentic AI and democratization of building. We are crossing a massive shift, and AWS's whole focus is how we make AI idea into impact with agents. From chatbots that talk to agents that act, they don't just suggest, they investigate, diagnose, and fix. Forget coding thousands of lines. Now you describe your intent in natural language. The agent writes the code, calls tool, execute workflows. Suddenly building powerful software isn't limited to experts, and that's huge. Theme number two, how to build agents model with code and tools. Swami said every agent has three key components: a model, which is the brain, the code, which is the identity, and the tools, your hands and legs. Wiring these used to take a ton of brittle orchestration logic. Now, AWS gives you Strands Agents SDK, a model driven approach, which means agents think through decisions rather than following rigid rules. This unlocks creativity and resilience. Theme 3, production at scale. No more POC jungle. Everyone is building AI agents on their laptops, but executives are asking, when do they hit production? Enter Amazon Bedrock Agent Code. It handles the ugly stuff like identity, policies, memory, tool, security, observability. Everything needed so agents run safely in enterprise environment. Finally, it's a paved road to production. Alright, so here's theme number 4. Efficient models that scale in the real world. General purpose LLMs are great for reasoning, but in production they can be slow and expensive of everyday tasks. So Swami laid out a clear roadmap to make agents efficient. Number 1, supervised fine-tuning to specialize. Model distillation to shrink cost and latency. Reinforcement fine-tuning for smarter decisions. Serverless customizations in SageMaker AI to run fast without heavy MLOps. And if you need deep domain intelligence, Nova Forge to build your own frontier level models from Checkpoint. Meaning for you, build agents that are fast, cost efficient, and still accurate, even at scale. And here's the theme 5, trust, reliability, and safety for enterprise AI. Now, this is the biggest challenge today. Agents must not hallucinate when they control production systems. AWS introduced a major unlock here, Neurosymbolic AI. That means mathematical verification plus LLM intelligence. So agents can reason creatively within guaranteed safe boundaries. And with Nova Act, UI automation becomes reliable instead of difficult, and delivering around 90% success rates in real enterprise workflows. Because in business, trust is not a feature, it's a requirement. What's the social proof and motivation? Because this isn't theory anymore, it's happening right now. And companies are already living this future. So Blue Origin shared that they have 2,700 plus AI agents actively used across the company. They have 3.5 million interactions every month, up to 75% faster product development cycles on real hardware systems like Terex, not in a lab, in real rocket engineering. Did they start decades ago? No. They just started with the right platform and experimented early with the agentic capabilities. So here's the one thing you must do this year. Don't just experiment with AI. Build your first production-ready agent teammate using Bedrock plus Agent Code. This is the most mature and enterprise-ready agent service AWS has today. It gives you real experience with memory, identity, policy, tools, security, workflow, so that you can bring agents to the production. Start now, and you'll be year ahead when the rest of the world still tries to chase it. So, do you now trust AI agents? You should, when they are built right. If you found this valuable, hit like and subscribe, because I want you to master this transformation, not just chase it.